Hello everyone, in this video we will see the customer management module. So in the option menu bar you can tap on customers. As you can see, this is a customer management module. So here you are able to see the different customers along with their respective dues. You can sort them alphabetically and you can also sort them in the increasing or decreasing order of their dues. And at the bottom you are able to see the total customers along with the total dues. And you can type the name or number of that particular customer and you can search that customer if you want. If you tap on a particular customer, you will be able to see his entire summary, like his average visits per month, his average purchase per month, from where you can determine whether the customer is a high valued customer or not. And you can see all the details like his days since last purchase, what is the amount that he has last paid on, and on which date he has last paid. And here at the top you also have an option to remind the customer regarding his dues if there are any. So at the top you can see there is a remind button. So once you tap on this remind button, an SMS will be sent to that particular customer regarding his dues that he needs to clear. And now let's say if your customer comes back and he wants to clear his dues, you can just do it from this field itself. You can come to this cash field over here. You can specify the amount like this and his dues will be cleared. Like you can see, the total dues have got updated. So this is how you can manage all the credits of this particular customer from this section, and you can even maintain the khata of this customer from this section. And in the bill section you will be able to see all the bills for that particular customer. You can filter them monthly wise. And in the wallet section you will be able to see the wallet details, that is the amount that he has paid in advance, and you can see everything. And in the credit section you will be able to see all the credit transactions that he has made from your store. So this is all about customer management. Thanks for watching.